And then I'm going to sing you one independently of Craigers.
Independently? Oh.
We got about 5 more songs left in this, so.
I've got like 90 left in me.
Shut up and go back to the trailer. Unless you're prepared to fucking sing them. Sing them. Oh, go ahead, sing. No, let's have another moment with Craig. Sing. Sing. Sing something.
What you want, baby?
Don't y'all want Craig to sing? Come on, give it up.
Oh, yeah?
Do not be an asshole.
Oh, yeah?
Come on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to hear that song you like? Broken windows and empty hallways, a pale dead moon and a sky streaked with gray, and human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's gonna rain today. Them scarecrows dressed in the latest styles with their frozen smiles that chase love away, and human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's gonna rain today. Lonely, lonely, tin can at my feet. I think I'll kick it down the street. That's the way they treat a friend. And right before me, the signs implore me to help the needy and show them the way. And human kindness is, well, it's overflowing, and I think it's gonna rain today. Yeah, I think it's gonna rain today.
It's only happened once before. It was over a year ago. You guys are witnessing history happening.
That was awesome, dude.
Craig never sings. And by the way, make him feel really good because I want him to sing more.
Come on, make me crying. Make me cry.
Now you sing something.
You don't make me cry.
Lock the house.
Not while I'm drinking whiskey, man.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, what do you got?
We're going to play some Dr. Phil.
Top that.
Fuck you.
Oh, man, you got to do it again?
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's cold out here. It ain't cold out here. Shut it, woman.